Shawnee Bear's first time with banana. 4 months today. Let's see if he wants some more. You want some more banana? Is that good? Mmm. Mmm. Is that good? Say, look at me, Daddy. I'm eating bananas. I would have done sweet potatoes. But you said your first was banana. Is it good? Yummy. Yeah. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Ooh. You want some more? Is that good? Ooh. Ooh. Yum, 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 yum. Yeah? Yum, 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 yum. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum. If I say clap, you will smile. Yay! Yay! You want some more? Here it comes. Mmm. Yeah. Yeah, it's good. It's good. Yeah, you like it? Yum, yum, yum. Mmm. Mmm. Is it yummy? Yum, yum, yums. Yeah? You want some more? Ooh. Mmm. 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 Here you go. Here's some more. Hey, Emma. I'm feeding your brother bananas. Ooh. Mmm. You want some more? I'm feeding your brother for the first time, first food. Yum, yum, yums. You want some more?
Can I feed him?
Yeah, just give him a second for this one though, okay? Because he's still...
He looks so funny. He's like this.
You're getting the picture. I'm making a video, but... Say cheese. Smile. Shawnee Bear. Oh, Shawnee Bear. Here, you just keep smiling. Let me get his attention. Shawnee Bear. Alright, smile. Cheese. Emma, please. Memories. Cheese. Yum, yum, yums. Is that good? Is that good? Hold on, Emma. Let me get him to smile. Is that yum, yums? Ooh.
Poor legs.
Be you.
Poor legs.
Be you. Be you. Hold on, Emma. Be you. Emma. Let me clean this off.
He's like, oh. He's like the spoon.
Is that good? Shawnee Bear. Pooh-wee. 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 Don't spill it.
Me, the liquidy.
You gotta be very soft. Don't stick the whole spoon in there either. Just the tip of it, okay?
Okay.
Is that good?
This is my first time feeding him.
Mine too.
Actually feeding him. You come there, baby. Woo! Come get it. Ooh.
Good job. Right, now take the spoon out.
You
And then
like
let him, he has to kind of play with it with his tongue. Is that yummy?
You look so cute with bananas all over your face.
Emma's first food was sweet potatoes, and she had orange all over her face. But your dad's first was bananas, is what he said. So we're gonna do bananas for Shawnee's first. He likes it.
Okay.